so rate me fi. What fasa hunchire wem also refi because Mahama had made a very strong statement that Ghanaians have short memory. So you are also including yourself to them that, oh, maybe I'm also having short memory, so I won't remember what he did. His administration. Because he also have a short memory. Oh, and only problem no. Because he near my way. Now that he wants to come to power, say, I'm coming to power, I want to come to power. And he speaks as if there has been an election in the country and he has won and he is forming his government and the next NDC government. Even his political party, NDC, he hasn't been elected as flag bearer. The engine is a flag bearer. But oh my God, for nyaso. Now this pains me a lot to say. NDC for yeah na Babs are trasem papa. Babs, I know you're about debating and not into details. NDC for more men. And so as a munina madeda. Oh, as a munina madeda. Enna Mosoria, Mama Mahama, editati mama to say there. O chinchi me binum to say remote control. Oh, o chinchi me binum to say remote control. Dear Mahama Beka NDC for nyina ntimi nkasa. O kasa fine now. They can't say anything because Mahama has spoken. NDC for ntimi nkasa. Are very serious? Oh, o kasa o ntimi nkasa. Ba wa betina akonya so ntimi anya hwe. NDC for mo amudi ho dance say. Even Bagbin Krabaka say Mahama onye marketable. And the administration is dented with corruption. It's you are no party, so Babetina Kunya to be MD. Mahama intimi. Bagbin kind, when you answer Mokai, Murray fee, men America. On one party member Neka, and then make that friend America. But also be actual was to say.
And you be high with chief priest. Who read the Bible, what they be are. Nay, you prophet. I can and this are what you want. And then your Bible no. Who got you one? It's not our Bible. And the Bible is a good book. Read it and get yourself equipped. Why? Mo be ambedada. And the Constitution will be because I don't remind Mama. Mafia prophet, your friend say. Akoya momo aringa yo ring meya ye kokan say any weakness. Ufun. Na jagezi se geza o se gezi o se wan wan no. Ebe shem kom se ohun. Masa wo didi me a wotimi hu bibi o. Ehun kura kanwa wotimi hu bibi. Wo imagine bibi kura timi ba ni so. Enti na mpanyifo kasa bi se de wa ni so na mpempi ye de kodai. Enti I know they just by the way I will say mopa measure that sound by life and mathematically me de me board besi mechi ha. Na ya ye ni atiti bia fim na be hu se Omampanyi that John Dramani Mahama we did na as president we dear say bad performance and incompetent performance kwa na mfa ne ma constitution no ke manin timi ntena kunya no so biam to oye there mama bye bye uko. That was just and the man are me bad journalism no so biam and this what me kwatena from say $2,000. How much is $2,000? Yanfanto na brantie we semansa boy so ya brantie so ya kokora you can't tell etimi betena hodi na ado danko akufu ado atem sebi wabusu ya panyin po na ado ajanan ewe animonyam chen wabusu ya panyin me say this you know there ye ni mu kon mu gamu me say na ado ajanan kura wa animonyam chen wabusu ya panyin. O papa wuni ene wo senso omo betima sua de abaye president ni bio nti encourage omo no omo embe sua de no omo bedi na efa sa nyansa no mo ko jisika apia stadium will never under any circumstance lie between try to John Dramani Mahama. So no, we've listened to him, we followed him for some time, we know so on yes ada and the old channel home back a damage control. The God of Nana Addo is still at work, so the battle is still the Lord's. Yeah, me kai Bible mu asembia isi ya King Jehoshaphat. Na tamfo baniso. Now he believed and trusted in God. enti ojemuada ebompa yesu guasafora this say, oh my God, my enemies come forth, weak I am to face them. Na onyankopon emma na kwankyere se mudia munko hide in the valley ewo bonhwanim mu hide wo mu a just keep calm na monhwe die besi. Enti the Jehoshaphat and the army of the Israelites and the Israelites eko hide wo bonhwanim no mo hwe die asafurade beye. And in Shranka asafurade din say atamfo o mabase o mu no mo bekono o mo ankasa twa wo mo ho confusion epiem o mo ekunkum o mo ho nyina. And this is what the God of Nanado is doing in the NDC camp. And the battle is the Lord's, no. This is just a tip of the iceberg. More will come. We have information. More will come. They say I catch you almost say, Mom Jani Nambum. A woman no mat bakwa betum. Near Yakwan, I discuss it, near elaborate upon, near a man for how wicked the NDC as a political party is. Near Ghana for what Siasia, the Kunkurasi. Ya tete abobo ya so bomude wuro kromu ne de MPP for munyai kromu no because kromu no sebi previous amenka so obiti enkurasi anu wajim kromu no omo education level no ye high wo krom enti untimi mfa na dan bia nkodada obi owo ho na yenua no omo wo nkurasi omo nim de ekọ de eba yenwurawura ho ne enkyerɛkyerɛ mu se de motini nyina o magisika. And do this one year sika or kasa manimfa dance yemra. Impanifo so tumra no actually see. And to be bekan and ado ho asem bonia. Manin tumre no a owia manin kyerɛsie. Se sie we so na mitumre no. Ne nyina yen kohwese ampa. Enti journalism na ukoka obi you are doing a fantastic job. But most style of journalism ne there a whack, a cake, a bogus. Obi of Asampa FM. My style of journalism a cake. What type of journalism is journalism? No, my is a referee. And sometimes it pains me say, Meti say, Obi say, I leave it to the Ghanaians to judge. Meanwhile, Kotokone has a bobo na referee ujinem finfi. Na has in ye Kotoko player buni name was I leave it to the spectators. Would you a referee na ujina ho? Na kotokonye chahasini o piano. Where that reminds me of Joe Henry's Kotoko legend. Emre bina Kotokone has a bobo